Namaskar. My name is Ishani and I'm a classical dancer and a poet. I have started my dancing journey from the age of 2.5 years and I won my first award at that age. I'm very passionate about dancing and having to learn different genre of dancing, the Western and the classical art form. I did a lot of fusion while I was in United States, and in India also I have explored doing a lot of fusion as well as classical um, in different platforms. I believe the dance is to put your hand on your heart and feel the rhythm. Dance has always been my first passion, and even though I am into teaching for almost about 25 years now, I still feel that there's a lot to learn, there's a lot to explore, and it has no end to it. Having learned from different gurus, I was lucky enough to explore different gharanas of Kathak, and while into my teaching I inculcate all those different gharanas, beautiful aspects of it. Right now I'm learning, getting my studies from Guru Ishani, and I had the opportunity to learn from her from past 3 years, and earlier I have learned from Archana Joglekar and then in childhood Mrs. Ruby Banerjee was my first guru, and I'm really thankful to ipassio to have me as a faculty member, and I just would like to say thank you to ipassio and welcome you to learn, to go with me to that journey when my passion becomes yours. Kathak has many areas to explore, like Toda Tukda Tihai, Chakradar Paran, Ahmad, Kavit, and one small paran I would like to read for you. It's a very interesting tongue twister, and it's very nice to hear also. So here it goes. Dhatit dhatit dhadhatit dhadatit kirdhatit kirdhatit dhage dige na nage na thun thun nag nag tu na kirtak dhin na dan dha dhitta kirtak dhitta katta ghege dha ghege dha ghege dha katta ghege dha ghege dha ghege dha katta ghege dha ghege dha ghege dha. So there are many such areas where you can really have fun. Please explore, enjoy, and keep learning. Thank you.